Hello guys. So today I want to show you a way on how you can make money online. All I just want you to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end so you will know how you can make money online for free. All I just want from you is to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just like the video, just leave us a thumbs up if you really like it. Just hit that like button. That's only what I want. So let us get started right now. That is it, guys. So if you don't know me, my name is God's Power and I talk about ways on how you can make money on this my YouTube channel. As you can see here, I have a bunch of videos that you can watch and start using to make free money online. All you just need to do is to pick anyone and start using them to start making money online. If what I want to teach you right now is not for you. So I don't want to take your time. All I just want you is to hit that like button and let us get started. All I just want you to do is to follow my step by step. Just click on the first link in the description and it will take you to this website. So as you can see, this is the website which is called Ysense. Ysense.com is a very simple website that allows you to make money online by taking survey, answering question, installing application. You do a lot of things on this website which is called Ysense and you get paid. So as you can see what they are saying, say Ysense Extra Cash Online. It say Ysense is a global online community with multiple online options. Join now and start earning with paid online surveys and cash offers and more. So look for ClickSense. See the exciting news here. So you can just like this is their web. This is the name of their website before they change it. I think before they change it to Ysense. So yeah, that is what I understand here. And if you scroll down, you can see what they are trying to say: get paid survey, cash offers and referral. So you make money by taking survey, you make money by like completing offer like a signing up, downloading application and you are getting paid, watching videos and you are getting paid like what they are saying here. While here influencer can pay you for do some particular advertisement for them and you are going to be getting paid for just doing that. So you can see a lot of companies that they are partnering with, Tab Research, all those are survey website that is scrolling down here. This brand that you can see at the bottom here, this website you can see that is scrolling down at the bottom, those are survey sites. If you don't know them, I'll be using them, and if you want to know about all those websites, go to my YouTube channel. There's a lot of video I've made about all those websites like Tumblr, Tab Research, Scent, and a lot of even your survey. All those websites I have worked with them, so you just need to go to my YouTube channel, check out my videos. You will see a lot of way that I've made on how you can make money with those websites that you can see that they are showing that is their partners on their website. So what Ysense do is that they make partner with all those websites. Those community website, they go to Ysense and they will go and ask Ysense to publish their services on Ysense, and Ysense will not allow us, which the Ysense will not recruit people like me and you. They will now go and complete the offer like taking survey, watching videos, and we are going to get paid. So that is what you need to understand about this method of how you can make money. You can make money by watching video, installing application, taking task, downloading application. You do a lot of things and you can even go and watch videos. You are getting paid for this method. So all I just want you to do is to follow me step by step and I will show you. If you don't know, let me see. So just see the visitor that is coming on Ysense. If you click on this website which is called SimilarWeb, let us see on SimilarWeb what it's saying. You can see that on this place that this website is getting monthly visitors is 2.8 million visitors every month that this website that is called Ysense is getting. So it's a big website and is known, it will be online for long. So if you go to YouTube too, you can see people talking about Ysense. So I've do a lot of research about this website to see if it's something that can make you some money. Yes, it's a website that will allow you to make some free money. You can see on YouTube people are talking about Ysense and how you can use it to make free money online. So that is the things, and that is the short review I need to talk about. So let us head over to Ysense back and I'll show you how you can sign up. To sign up is very simple. You have to enter your email here and enter your password, accept the terms and condition and click on join now. So Ysense will now send you a verification code on your email address, verification link. You click on that link and your account will be verified. Then you need to log into your Ysense account. So now we are going to log into my Ysense account. It's a new account, but we are just going to log in. So I will click on login. Here I'm going to enter my password and my email, and I will click on stay login, and I will click on login. So it's going to log into my YSense account in a very simple step. So as you can see, my account have just opened. So how you can make money too with YSense, like you can take survey, like I said, you can take survey, you can answer question, you can install application, you get paid. So if you come here, click this section here. If you click this section here, you can click on surveys here. You will see that you can take surveys and you get paid. You answer question and you are getting paid. You can even do like you say you, all those things are things that you need to keep your profile like in a higher rate. Let me call it higher rate. Like if you complete this surveys here, what is happening on YSense is that YSense is using this survey that you are doing here to target you so that they will know the type of survey you will be interested on. So if you complete this thing, they are going to pay you 2 cents for every 10 question you answer on this place, on this tab here, which is if you answer this question here. Let me just answer it. You will see that they will pay me 2 cents for just answering this question. So I'm going to click here, and it's going to ask me this question here. All I just need to click is to click on anyone that I feel like this is the right question, and I click on that, and I click on answer. So is what I'm going to do on 10 times, and I will get that 2 cents. So as you can see here, and I say congratulations, you have just earned, you have earned 2 cents. So as you can see at the top here, so you can see it on the screen what it's saying here. You have just earned 2 cents for just answering that question. If I click on continue, it will take me back again. I will keep on answering the question. I will keep on earning 2 cents, 2 cents, 2 cents. But I don't want to keep on earning 2 cents. You can see that you can earn up to even $4 to $3 on this website, which is called YSense. So it's a big website that people don't even know that they don't even know that there's this type of website. So I just find it, and I know it will really help my subscribers. So it's a good option for you guys to go and try it out. So the payouts option, if you click on the payouts option here, click on payout. So once you click on payout here, so it's going to show you their payment method. You can see their payment method with Payoneer, PayPal, US dollar, PayPal in euro, and reward link France and stream. So it depends on it depends on your country, and that is how they will show multiple cash out payment method. So in my country, you can see that I have only 5 payout method, so which is good. I usually use PayPal, so that is okay for me, that is okay by me. So you can see currently right now I have 5 cents on my account, which is because it's a new account because of that offer we just did, and that is how you see that I have 5 cents on my account currently right now. So to cash out, the minimum amount to cash out is $10. Once you have $10, you are eligible of cashing out. You'll be enabled to cash out your money if you have the minimum amount of $10. So that is what I need to talk about. You see now that you can cash out. So if you want to start installing application, you click on this offer section here. So if you click on this offer section, you will see that you can be able now to start installing application, and you'll be able to now cash out your money once you install any apps. So that is how this website works. So I advise you to go and try it out and start using it to start making free money online. So you just see what we did. All we just did is to install application, answer question. You can do a lot of things, and you are getting paid for just doing that. So if you click on mobile here now, you will see that it will show you mobile offers that you can, all those applications, you can go install all those applications, install them. You are getting paid for just installing all those applications you can see on the screen right now. So that is everything you need to know, and that is everything we need to talk about on this video. And I will say thank you very much. There's no any other thing I need to talk about, and there's one thing I need to talk about before I end this video, is the affiliate program. So if you click on affiliate program here, click on affiliate, so you are going to earn 30% cash back, which is recurring to your account. So if you refer anyone to this platform, so you are going to be earning 30%. You can see it here, 30% recurring commission. Recurring commission is when you refer people to a program, a particular service. If that service have a recurring commission, this recurring commission means that every time the person is making money, you are making money too. Anytime the person do participate any offer, buy anything from that services that you promoted that says is paying a recurring commission, you are going to be getting paid every month for doing that. So that is what I need to talk about. That is what recurring means. So you are going to earn a lot of cash by just referring people to this program. So I encourage you guys to go and try this application website, or if they have application, I don't really know, but I know they have they have their website, which is YSense, and is a cool application. It's a cool website. Sorry, it's a cool website that you can use to make free money online. And two, they have their Chrome extension. Let me show you their Chrome extension. Their Chrome extension show you the how much you earn and how much point you have, and etc, etc. Let me show you their Chrome extension before we end this video. So this is YSense Chrome extension. It's very easy to install it. Once you create your account, you will see it will pop up at the top. You ask you to install your Chrome extension of YSense. So if I click on the Chrome extension from my Chrome browser, you will see God's Power Gagbe, which is me. You can see 5 cents, which is the money we have, and you can see that yesterday we didn't earn any money because we created our account today. You can see that we have $5 total, and we have survey, only one survey completed today. So that is everything you do. You'll be seeing them on the system here. You can see that YSense make everything easy for you to understand your level and where you are and how much you have earned. So that is everything I need to talk about. I will say thank you very much. Don't forget again, smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if this really helped you out. And don't forget to check out my website, which is www.ugodspower.com. And again, don't forget to go and check me out or follow me on Instagram. I am Rick God's Power. On Facebook, I am Rick God's Power. On Twitter, I am Rick God's Power. So check me out and let us get connected. And again, see you soon a way on how you can make money online. Peace.